Today I am going to unbox and review an air purifier for you guys. This is made by ASLOTUS. Its model number is KJ320, and this is a HEPA air purifier for your home. Here's some specs. And I'll tell you more as we unbox it and set this up. This is currently $109 on Amazon, normally $139. There's a $30 off coupon code right now, and that'll bring you down to the $109. I'll tell you if it's good and worth the money, and I'll let this guy run over the next week or so, and I will let you know what I thought of it. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Of course, you get the user's manual. Here is going to be a power plug, of course. Let's go ahead and check out the air purifier itself. Comes with a nice clean looking white canister. We have a quick start guide on top. Do not use the purifier without first removing the plastic bag. That's funny because I have sold purifiers in my business where I buy and resell stuff, and people have returned these because they did not remove the bag and they thought something was broken. So let's go ahead and do that first and foremost. So you flip this guy over. This does have a tip sensor too, so if it tips over, it's going to shut off. Here is that plastic bag they're talking about. Keep your filter nice and clean. As you can see, they do give you quite a large filter. This is a 3-stage filter, HEPA. Here's the inside of the unit, so the filter back in. And then you just put the bottom plate back on. And I will power it up for you and we'll take a look at it. This does have a cool ring light around the entire thing, and it'll be green if the air quality is nice and clean. Then it'll turn blue if it's just normal, where there's a little bit of purifying that it needs to do. And then it'll turn red if the air quality is poor. The plug is here at the bottom. Nice and out of the way. And this can't currently reach a plug, so I'm going to see if my Rock Pals portable power station will power it for us. It should do it with no problem, but let's find out. I'm going to power it on. 86%. We're going to set it over to the plug. And let's see if this will power it. Alright, there we go. Powering on. Let's see how the air quality is in my house right now. Of course, it's going to probably always start on green, which you have a little trouble seeing overhead, but currently it's green. To increase the suction. It's got 5 speeds. Sound to it, even on high suction. Got a nice sound to it, even on the maximum suction like that. So it's got a nice sound to it, even on maximum airflow. I always sleep with a fan at night. For some reason, it just helps me sleep. And this has a nice sound to it. There's no weird sound to it. It's not overly loud, and it definitely has a good airflow to it. So auto mode is going to sense the air around you, and since it's green, it's running on this lowest power mode. If it smells or senses, like say smoke, cigarette smoke, anything that's going to be basically stinky, it's going to automatically ramp it up to get that clean air back. There's also a timer that you can set from 1 to 12 hours, and it'll shut off after then. Alright everybody, been using this for the last couple of weeks. I must say overall I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully that green light's coming through good on camera. It's got this really nice green light around it, which I actually really love. Very cool looking, and then it lets you know, of course, the room that you set this in, that the air is nice and clean as of right now. It will change color if it sucks in and notices a big amount of dust and stuff like that. So one thing, personally for me, when I had this in my bedroom, I like it very, very dark in my room. So this light is definitely a no-go for me. They do have a sleep mode. You push that, and it shuts off the light, and it lowers this to a very, very low decibel. And the fan just barely spins, and it still does, you know, circulate the air for you. So that's a pretty cool feature, and it seems to work really good. So I must say overall, it hasn't given me any problems. It's been working fine for the few weeks I've had it, and I would definitely recommend this. Now, do I personally feel the air that I'm breathing cleaner? I'd have to say no, but I don't know if anybody actually can. I've had a Dyson air purifier before, and I could say the same thing about that. It worked, but I couldn't actually tell it's working, if that makes sense. Alright, so if you're interested in this, I'll put a link down in the description. If you have any questions about it or any other tests you'd like for me to do, please let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, please do me a huge favor. Consider subscribing and go and hit that little like button for me. Helps me out a lot, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. See ya.